Welcome back to another videos. Join us for the latest news, insights, and updates on the Iraqi dinar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's explore the world of the Iraqi dinar together. The idea of returning a currency to a previous era's value, particularly when it has undergone significant devaluation over time, is an ambitious undertaking with profound economic, social, and political ramifications. In the case of Iraq, discussions surrounding the revaluation of the Iraqi dinar have been ongoing for years, capturing the attention of both domestic stakeholders and international observers. Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-SUDANI's assertion that the dinar would become stronger than the US dollar represents not only a statement of confidence but also a potential shift in the nation's economic trajectory. If realized, this move would undoubtedly surprise those entrenched in the current system, particularly those operating in the parallel, or black, market, where the value of the dinar has been subject to significant volatility. The historical context of the Iraqi dinar is central to understanding the potential implications of such a revaluation. Before the sanctions of the 1990s and the subsequent military conflicts, the dinar was a strong and respected currency in the region. During its peak, it was valued much higher than the US dollar, reflecting Iraq's substantial oil wealth and economic stability. However, decades of political instability, international sanctions, and corruption eroded the currency's value, leaving it a shadow of its former self. The introduction of the current series of dinars in 2004, under the auspices of the IMF and the US-led Coalition Provisional Authority, was seen as a fresh start. Despite this, the dinar has remained undervalued in the eyes of many, trading at a fraction of its historical strength. When a leader such as al-SUDANI declares that the dinar will become stronger than the dollar, it signals a bold vision for economic reform. Such a statement is not made lightly, as it requires substantial groundwork in terms of fiscal and monetary policy, as well as a stable political environment. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, would need to implement measures to ensure that their evaluation is not only feasible but also sustainable. These measures could include bolstering foreign reserves, controlling inflation, and fostering economic diversification to reduce reliance on oil revenues. Additionally, it would involve strengthening financial institutions to gain the trust of both domestic and international investors. A revaluation of this magnitude would have a ripple effect across the Iraqi economy. For ordinary citizens, a stronger dinar could mean increased purchasing power and a higher standard of living. Imported goods, which are currently expensive due to the weak currency, would become more affordable. This could also lead to a reduction in inflationary pressures, providing further relief to households and businesses alike. However, for those operating in the parallel market, the impact could be quite different. The parallel market thrives on the disparity between official exchange rates and the actual market value of the dinar. A significant revaluation could eliminate or greatly reduce this disparity, effectively dismantling the profit margins that have sustained this informal economy. Internationally, a stronger dinar could reposition Iraq as an economic player in the region and beyond. It would enhance the credibility of Iraq's financial system, attracting foreign investment and facilitating trade. A robust currency could also serve as a source of national pride, symbolizing a break from the turbulent past and a step toward a more prosperous future. However, such a move would not come without challenges. The revaluation would need to be managed carefully to avoid unintended consequences, such as speculative attacks on the currency or capital flight. Moreover, the political implications of a revaluation cannot be ignored. Domestically, it could serve as a rallying point for national unity, demonstrating the government's commitment to economic reform and the welfare of its citizens. On the international stage, it could shift Iraq's relationships with key partners, including the United States, which has historically played a significant role in shaping the country's monetary policies. A stronger dinar could reduce Iraq's reliance on the US dollar, aligning with broader global trends toward de-dollarization. The technical aspects of implementing such a revaluation are complex. The CBI would need to recalibrate its monetary policy, potentially adopting a managed float system to maintain stability while allowing for gradual adjustments. Coordination with international financial institutions, such as the IMF, would be crucial to ensure that the process aligns with global best practices. Transparency and communication would also play a vital role in managing public expectations and mitigating the risk of speculative behavior. For the average Iraqi, the prospect of a stronger dinar is likely to be met with a mix of hope and skepticism. While the benefits of increased purchasing power and economic stability are clear, there is also a deep-seated mistrust of government promises, born out of years of unfulfilled commitments and systemic corruption. To address these concerns, the government would need to demonstrate tangible progress, such as improving public services, reducing unemployment, and combating corruption. These efforts would not only support the revaluation but also lay the groundwork for long-term economic growth. In conclusion, the revaluation of the Iraqi dinar to a level stronger than the US dollar, as envisioned by Prime Minister al-SUDANI, is a transformative goal that would reshape the country's economic landscape. While it offers the promise of prosperity and stability, it also presents significant challenges that must be carefully navigated. The shock to the parallel market and other stakeholders underscores the need for a comprehensive and inclusive approach to reform. If successful, this bold move could mark a new chapter in Iraq's history, restoring the dinar's former glory and reaffirming the nation's potential on the global stage. Thanks for watching Iraqi Dinar. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share our videos. Your support keeps our channel going. Stay curious, and see you in the next one.